Number 1 is the Laneige Mini Hydration To Go gift set. But buying by packaging alone can leave you with unwanted formats and routine clutter. Choose facial routine, body care, variety, or portability. Number 6. La Roche-Posay Facial Hydration Heroes. Want one facial routine without sorting through unrelated extras? I'd pick this for someone who prefers a clear cleanser, serum, and moisturizer sequence. You get Tolerian Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, Hyala B5 Serum, and Tolerian Double Repair Face Moisturizer. That lineup makes the routine easy to understand before anything reaches the bathroom shelf. But this is a tightly focused facial set, not an adventurous sampler across categories. The product sizes aren't provided here, which makes portability and replacement timing harder to judge. So skip it for body care, broader experimentation, or travel planning that depends on exact container sizes. Number 5. e.l.f. Cosmetics Best and Obsessed Skincare Kit. This is the broad sampler for someone who enjoys mixing skincare with glow-focused makeup. I choose it when format variety matters more than maintaining one simple routine. It includes makeup melting cleansing balm, bronzing drops, and thirst burst drops. You also get vitamin C plus E plus ferulic acid serum and sun-touchable Wow Glow SPF 30. So the recipient can explore cleansing, serum, drops, tint, and sun care formats. But that variety also makes the gift less focused and easier to overbuy. Sizes aren't listed here either. Skip it if bronzing drops or tinted sunscreen would sit unused, or if you want skincare only. Number 4. Medicube Glass Skin Collagen Trial Kit. Maybe the recipient specifically wants to explore a glass skin-oriented routine without committing to a larger assortment. I'd consider this only when that routine style is already the main attraction. Its trial kit format supports sampling, rather than building a permanent shelf immediately. But the exact contents, product sizes, and ingredient details aren't available here. That uncertainty matters because you can't map the steps, storage needs, or likely replacement burden before buying. It also makes the set harder to judge for travel. So I wouldn't choose it for someone who wants every item explained up front. Skip it when routine clarity matters more than the glass skin theme. Number 3. Sold a Janeiro Jet Set Kit in Cheirosa 62. Here's the cleanest switch away from facial routines and toward a coordinated body care gift. I'd pick it for someone who already enjoys fragrance as part of grooming. Brazilian Foreplay Body Wash handles the wash step, while Brazilian Bum Bum Cream adds the cream step. Cheirosa 62 Perfume Mist completes the scent-focused lineup. That makes the set easy to understand, with each product serving a distinct role. But fragrance is also the commitment, not a harmless extra. The sizes aren't listed here, so don't assume the name guarantees a particular travel format. Skip it for fragrance-sensitive preferences, unscented routines, or anyone expecting facial skincare. Number 2. Osea Juicy Duo Gift Set. If a crowded gift box feels wasteful, this duo offers a more restrained all-over glow roll. I'd look here for a recipient who values a concise routine and fewer containers to store. The duo format also lowers the chance of handing someone a complicated sequence they won't follow. But the exact products and sizes aren't identified here. It's also unclear whether the pair leans toward facial care, body care, or a mixture. That missing distinction makes product format fit difficult to judge before buying. So I wouldn't choose it for someone with a firmly defined routine. Skip it if you need exact contents, storage dimensions, or application steps before committing. Number 1. Laneige Mini Hydration To Go Gift Set. This is the set I'd actually choose when portability is the deciding factor. Its hydration focus gives the gift a clear purpose, while the Glow To Go roll suits travel and compact storage. That combination is more practical than buying a sprawling sampler with several unwanted categories. It also works when you want a giftable introduction rather than a complete permanent routine. Now the trade-off is uncertainty. The exact products, sizes, and application order aren't detailed here, so you can't fully map the routine beforehand. I wouldn't buy it for someone who needs ingredient-level planning or exact container details. But for a portable hydration gift, it's the strongest fit. Choose Laneige for portable hydration, Osea for a concise duo, or Sol de Janeiro for scented body care. Medicube suits theme-led sampling e.l.f. offers variety, and La Roche-Posay provides the clearest facial sequence. Before buying, check the actual contents, sizes, scent preference, and routine role. Formats and availability change, so check before you buy. I'd default to Laneige for travel, but switch to Sol de Janeiro for body care or La Roche-Posay for a defined facial routine. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine sorted.